What's up guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to make sushi with the main ingredient or base being cauliflower. This dish is famously called Baked Maki, or the filling of the sushi with nori wrappers, or the seaweed surrounding the dish in where I live, since it really isn't quite the same as sushi. This dish is very easy to prepare while still being extremely delicious. I guarantee that it will satisfy your sushi cravings in a delightfully simple and healthy way. It is perfect for sharing with your friends and or family and can be eaten any time of the day and anywhere you please. So without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients you'll be needing are the following: 600 grams or 3 cups of shredded cauliflower, 6 pieces of shredded nori seaweed wrappers for topping, 200 grams or 1 cup of cream cheese, 350 grams or about 2 cups of peeled shrimp, 60 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams or half a cup of mayonnaise, sesame seeds, a piece of chopped red bell pepper and shredded onion leaves, hot sauce, 400 grams or 2 cups of crab meat, and more nori wrappers for the exterior later on. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is heat up the butter in a large pan. Wait for the butter to melt or stir it for quite a bit, as I always tend to do, for it to melt quicker and evenly spread all over the pan. After that, we can put in our shredded cauliflower. Mix the cauliflower to the butter, making sure both are well incorporated. This will ensure that the base will taste great evenly. Wait for the cauliflower to fully cook and turn golden brown. This usually takes about 5 minutes. After being cooked, transfer the cauliflower, or base as what we'll now refer to it, into a not too shallow oven-safe container, or preferably a glass plate like the one I'm using here. Distribute the base equally all throughout the plate with a spoon or a spatula and make sure that no area is left behind. Once that's done, leave the cauliflower to cool and proceed on to the next step, which is boiling the shrimp. First off, assure that the water you will be using for boiling is cool or in room temperature and not exceedingly hot right off the bat. Now we'll add the shrimp, a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to the pot while stirring gently. This will take about another 5 minutes to cook. After cooking, transfer it onto a strainer to remove the excess water and we can proceed to the next step. We are gonna start creating the actual filling, which we refer to as maki. We'll start by pouring the mayonnaise. After that, dump in your cream cheese and stir. Next, put in your crab meat and stir. Put in your shrimp and stir. And finally, put in your shredded onion leaves and chopped bell pepper and stir. Again, I can't stress enough how all of the ingredients should be very well incorporated to achieve that superior taste and texture we're looking for. Right after mixing all those ingredients for the maki, we can bring the cauliflower back to the action. We'll start by spreading a bit of sesame seeds over the base. Next, we'll put shredded nori or seaweed wrappers on top and spread it across the plate. After that, we can proceed to layering the mixture we have recently created onto the base. Once again, get a spoon or spatula and spread it evenly all throughout. Put some more nori on top as we have done a while back and dredge the entire mixture with hot sauce up to the amount you prefer. To top it all off, add some mayonnaise on the maki to achieve a creamier texture. Once that's done, heat up your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or about 360 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the maki for about 10 minutes. Take it out of the oven and add some more dashes of hot sauce to the maki if you prefer. Make your nori available in hand and start creating those mini delights you've initially just craved for. And you're done! Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was informative and easy to follow. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And leave a comment down below for any suggestions or anything you'd want to see me prepare in the next video. Until next time.